So I decided to do an update after 2 years on the Tommy Hilfiger watch I bought. So this is the condition of the watch after 2 years. Try to zoom in so you can see the details. It's in decent shape, I have to say. It's not like that has been damaged a lot. So I have to say it's in very decent shape. The only downside of it is that it's gold, which I thought at the beginning is an upside. Because it's gold, you can't wear it with everything. That's the only downside I've experienced the last 2 years. Other than that, the watch did very well in my opinion. It's still ticking, as you can see. I haven't replaced the batteries. The only damages that have been done are very superficial, as I said. Minor damages on the glass, which you can see here. My camera isn't working very well, so you can't see it properly, but you can see a very slight damage here, a very minor damage, and of course on the wrist. On the wrist, you can see a lot more damages, but not very noticeable. Outside of that, it's a very decent watch. I would definitely recommend it. Furthermore, the tachymeter, which is intended as a speed meter, you can use it, and I haven't used it at all. It's very aesthetically pleasing. The ring around the ring around the dial, but it's not very functional, I have to say. So outside of that, as I said, the watch is very beautiful. It's definitely worth its money, so I would recommend you buying it. I did get a lot of compliments, and I think the brand, so Tommy Hilfiger, has a lot to do with it. People will look at the watch and see it's from Tommy Hilfiger, and they'll know it's a reputable company, so they'll acknowledge it. And as I said, it's worth buying the watch for. I think I bought for €200. It's now a lot less, so definitely recommend. What I would also like to mention is I'm probably going to upload a lot more videos in the coming weeks and months this coming year, so make sure to subscribe and like this video, and you'll have a lot more content soon. Thanks for watching.